Armadillo starts with the letter A. It runs and jumps all through the day. To alligator, alligator starts with the letter A, snapping and splashing as it plays. 3. Aardvark starts with the letter A, sniffs for ants in a sandy way. Or armadillo starts with the letter A, it rolls in a ball and hides away. Oh, albatross starts with the letter A, gliding over oceans far away. Anaconda starts with the letter A, it slithers slowly, big and gray. Angelfish starts with the letter A, it swims with colors bright and gay. 8. Asian elephant, Asian elephant starts with A, it trumpets loud and loves to play. 9. Arctic fox starts with the letter A, it runs through snow in a wintry way. 10. Axolotl with the letter A, it smiles and swims the whole long day.